All right, what is up, everybody? Here once again, another protein review coming at you. I've done a few Optimum Nutritions in the past, but it was actually requested that I do French vanilla cream, or in the case of French vanilla creme, I guess you would call it, in the case of it being French, is what I was going to say there. However, I didn't really know there was a distinction between vanilla and vanilla, but I guess vanilla ice cream and French vanilla creme are two different things. So we're going to determine that. This is gold standard, 100% whey, 120 calories, 1.5 grams of fat, 2 grams of carbs, and 24 grams of protein. And that's all I have to say about that. I'll let the protein do the explaining otherwise. So I'll break a couple seals here. Okay, this seal is very brittle. It's breaking off in about 1,000 pieces, so let's get rid of that. Oh, and the second seal just stuck to the lid. That's probably dangerous. Smells pretty good. Let's find the scoop. It's Optimum Nutrition in the past. It's given me the impression of fairly high quality, decent taste. You can kind of tell. I don't know how you taste quality, but I think you can taste quality. I don't really know what quality tastes like, but... Okay, 1 scoop French vanilla creme Optimum Nutrition going into the shaker cup. Gonna give it a really quick shake. Make sure that it doesn't have solubility problems. And how I do that is I shake it really quick, I look inside, and I arbitrarily decide how well that it mixed. But some don't mix very well. Some you see big floaties, others look like this, which is a nice mix job. And I also get an initial smell of the protein, which I don't always like, and this one is no different. I hope it tastes better than it smells, because it just smells like bland, gross protein, but I'm sure it'll taste better. French vanilla cream, Optimum Whey from, no, gold standard whey from Optimum Nutrition. Here we go. Okay, not very sweet. I don't really understand, like, if you put French in front of the name, is that just a gimmick, or is there supposed to be some profile? Maybe somebody knows the answer to that. I maybe could look it up. I don't know if it's supposed to have more vanilla beans in it or something like that, but really at the end of the day, I get a vanilla flavor, and I actually get a fairly strong vanilla flavor, which is good. I don't get a lot of protein flavor. I wanted more sweetness, and I always want more sweetness. I didn't get it, so not overly sweet, but it does have a fairly strong vanilla flavor. So that being the case, if you didn't like an overly sweet protein and we're looking for something to vanilla-ize your smoothie or something to that extent, might be a good bet for you. Overall, this one is pretty average for me in taste. Vanilla is pretty hard to stand out. This one, the most I can say is strong vanilla. I can taste it. Don't get a lot of sweetness. Don't get a lot of protein taste. So in terms of just a straight vanilla protein, it's probably pretty good, but I need something better for me. Straight vanilla doesn't do it for me. Check it out if you like. Optimum Nutrition, gold standard whey, French vanilla cream, and I'll catch you next time.